Hello, if you're thinking about moving to the Colorado Springs, Colorado area, I've got some great special deal for you today. We're located right now in the Meridian Ranch subdivision, which is in a little small community called Falcon, which is about 10 miles east of Colorado Springs. Looking at a home that's quick move in, ready to buy right now, built by Campbell Homes. I'm Gary Jordan with the Jordan Property Group and EXP Realty. We work with all kinds of anything, all kinds of real estate, but especially new construction homes. So if you're in the market to think about a new home, we can help you save tens of thousands of dollars by getting you a better price for the home and also getting you larger buyer incentives. Before we begin this home tour, I'd like to ask you for more information on a regular basis. Be sure and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Down below, you turn on the bell for notifications, and about once a week, I'll be sending out new videos of more new construction home tours. This home today we're looking at is called the Steinbeck model. It's located at 10835 Evening Creek Drive in Falcon, Colorado. Once again, Campbell Homes is the builder. It's a big home. If you got a large family, this is the place for you right here. It's 4,534 square feet. It's 6 bedroom, 4.5 bath, and this has a 4-car garage. This home is at a discount price now to get it sold quickly for $569. And besides being a good price, Campbell's offering a $40,000 buyer incentive to use right now for either a rate buy down, closing costs, or more of your incentive upgrades. So let's walk inside and take a look at this beautiful home. Sort of a nice covered front porch. The end of the home, I'm going to turn on a few lights. We've got a nice formal dining room to start with. It flows very well into a really nice gourmet kitchen, double ovens, stainless steel appliances, very attractive stone counters, a big pantry area, high-end cabinets, nice kitchen nook over here. And over here to the left of the kitchen, we have an office area and a mudroom that comes in off of the garage. Very, very convenient. Nice open floor plan. Kitchen, nook area, formal dining, flows into a really attractive family room. Fireplace, I would say probably 20-foot ceilings here. Got a lot of eye appeal. Outside here, you'll see we have a nice large patio and a substantially large backyard too. Here's your master bedroom on the main level. The master is really very, very nice. Flows out door to your patio, easy access. A fireplace, a double-sided fireplace for both your master bedroom and your master bath. And it's no less, it's a 5-piece master bath too, with double vanities, a really nice tub, shower, walk-in closet, toilet room. Very, very, very nice. Great eye appeal. A lot of really unique, nice design. Let's find some more bedrooms. Upstairs. First thing upstairs that I really do like is got a really nice large loft overlooking the family room. Quickly flows into bedroom number 2 over here. we've got a nice double vanity, full bath. Bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 3, this is unique, has a really nice 5-piece double vanity bathroom also, with a walk-in closet. Lots of space, big bedrooms too. It's quite a grand house. Trying to put a few lights there. We're going downstairs. I really like this big family room, looking down at it. Got a lot of eye appeal. Go down to the basement now and find some more bedrooms. First of all, this is down in the basement area, I think large. Nice rec area here. Another big area here for your media room, games and so forth. There's lots of room to enjoy this lower part of the house. Another large bedroom here. These bedrooms are about, I'd say, 14 by 15. Be bedroom number 4. And we got bedroom 5, bedroom 6, along with another very nice double vanity. Full bath here. So this kind of home appeals to you. If you have a large family and need lots of room for your kids and multi-generation families and so forth, this is a great home and a great value, less than $600,000. The Meridian Ranch is a very, very nice, well-established, very popular subdivision. Has a large recreation facility with an indoor pool, workout areas. Got a golf course here. We've got tens and tens of miles of hiking and biking trails. We're basically about 10 minutes to Colorado Springs and probably about 10 minutes to the military Peterson's Air Force Base. So it's a great location for many, many reasons. Give me a call, send me a text, 719-502-7176. Whether you're wanting to buy a home today, 30 days from now, 6 months from now, even a year, let's have a conversation, start developing a good relationship. Need to know what you're looking for, where you want it to be, and when you want it to be, when you want to have it. Put together a plan for you, get into the right home for your family at the right time. I appreciate you watching this video. Be sure and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like, and I'll see you again next week. Thank you.